In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TurboTax password. We'll walk through this inside the TurboTax online experience using the built-in Intuit Account Manager. Start by opening TurboTax in your browser. Look toward the top right corner of the page for the Intuit Account menu. It may appear as your profile photo, your initials, or a small person icon. Click that Intuit Account option to open your account settings. This takes you out of your tax return and into your account dashboard, where you manage personal info and security. From the account dashboard, choose Sign In and Security. This section is dedicated to anything related to logging in, including your password and verification settings. It's the safest place to make changes because updates here apply across Intuit products that use the same account. Next, select Password. That opens the password update screen. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked to verify your identity before you can proceed. If you see a prompt, simply follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it's really you, then you'll land back on the password form. Now, enter your new password in the new password field. Aim for something strong and memorable. A good approach is a long passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Watch the on-screen requirements as you type. The page will let you know if your password meets Intuit standards. Avoid using personal details and don't reuse a password from another site. In the next field, confirm your new password. Retype the exact same password. Take a moment here. Matching both fields prevents typos that could lock you out. If the Save button looks inactive, it usually means the two entries don't match or the new password doesn't meet the requirements. So double check both fields. When everything looks good, click Save. The system will process your update and display a confirmation that your password has been changed. From this point on, use your new password to sign in to TurboTax and any other Intuit services connected to your account. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you use a password manager, update the saved entry so it autofills the new credentials next time. If you don't use one, consider securely storing your new password somewhere you trust. Also, the Sign In and Security page includes options that help protect your account, like additional verification methods, which can add an extra layer of safety. That's it. Your TurboTax password is now reset. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to ensure your login details are stored safely so you're ready for a smooth, secure sign-in next time.